Vanakkam everybody. Today I'll be teaching you a few exercises to get relief from the spondylitis. What is spondylitis? Most of you must be knowing. There are a lot of bones on our cervical at the backside which are more or less like this. There's a center, we have a bone structure which connects the bones like this. There's a gap between the bones. And the gap reduces like this between any two bones, between C1, C2, C3, like this, C whatever, I only know up to neck it is C9. So if it reduces, it presses the nerves passing through it, which creates a lot of pain. So what we need to do is we have to strengthen the neck muscles. Okay, there are a few examples. Okay, before I start my exercise, I would like to tell you the self experience. I was suffering from spondylitis during 2004. Okay, I was not able to lift my right hand. Okay, when I did the MRI, it was shown C6, C7 between these two bones, the gap is reduced, because of which I was getting a terrific pain right from my neck. It used to run through the right hand up to the fingers. So I did a lot of allopathy. I took a lot of allopathy medicines. I have undergone some massage from naturopathy. Even I took Ayurveda medicine for about 6 months. Nothing worked out. Doctors were telling me you may have to undergo a small operation, a surgery at your neck. And most of the surgeries are not successful for this particular problem. It further complicates things, and also lifelong you'll have pain. Then one day I just seen Ramdev Maharaj. Ramdev Maharaj, आपको pranam. Okay. And the Asta channel, I want to say the Asta channel, I just seen the exercises which is shown to all the yoga practicing people, which somehow given me a hope. Okay, let me do this, let me try this, I may get some relief. Morning when I was 6 o'clock somewhere, I seen the TV and I started practicing along with Ramdev Maharaj. Slowly, I have seen within 3 to 4 days I was getting some relief. Then I started practicing it regularly. People will not believe, within a week I got total relief from this severe pain problem. Even I used to get giddiness when I look down. Used to get giddiness. I used to feel so embarrassing. I was not able to drive my car. I used to keep my one hand on the door and drive with the left hand. That was a severe pain I had, and this thing has given me a good relief. Now I would like to share. I have trained so many people, and maximum people have got benefit out of it. I'll just tell you the few exercises. Let's start now. Okay, without wasting much time. Okay, we start with some warm up. Okay, warming up of your shoulders and your neck. So generally while warming up, what we do is we just rotate our hands, rotate forward, rotate backwards, rotate your neck muscles, shoulder muscles. It gives you some sort of relaxation. Lift your hands up, which we do normal. Just do light rotations, forward, backward. Even if you do a walk and come back, yeah, do some light jumping on the spot like this, and do some small twist. It all makes your this muscles, neck muscles, flexible. Now the first exercise starts with the something like what people practice for Surya Namaskar. Both lift your both the hands up, keep it straight, bring it down, press against each other, take it to the front, and now rotate. Give a pressure against each hand. It should touch each other and press against each other. Rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, and clockwise, and just relax. This exercise you have to do three sets. Okay, one we have done it. Second time, do this again. Third time. Each set for around 20 to 30 seconds maximum. This is the first exercise. Now the second exercise is lifting your arm, keep it on the head, pull it with the other hand. Just give a stretch. Just stretch it. Don't keep the neck, don't bend it. Keep it straight. The other hand, keep it straight over the head. Hold it and give a mild press. You should feel a stretch over this portion. Keep the head straight. Again, three sets. One we did, second, third, second, and third set. All the three sets for 20 to 30 seconds, not more than that. 20 seconds is more than sufficient. The two exercises we have seen. The third exercise is rotation of your shoulders. Rotate. While rotating, touch against each other. Touch and rotate clockwise around 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same way now, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Initial days you may get some pain on the shoulders. You can do 5 times. Subsequently, slowly you can increase 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times in one set. So like this, 3 sets we have to do it. After this, rotation of your shoulders by keeping the arms straight. Keep the arms straight. Rotate either clockwise or anti-clockwise. If you do it clockwise 5 times, anti-clockwise 5 times. Relax. This exercise also 3 sets. After this, keep your both the hands straight. Just tilt the hand up, down, up, down. In all these exercises, keep your neck straight. Up, down, down, up, down. Like this. This is also, you can do it 5 to 6 times. Slowly increase to 10 times. Again 3 sets. So we have done first one we have done this. Second we have done a stretch. Third rotation. Fourth we did arms rotation. Fifth we did up and down. Okay, 5 exercises we have done it. Now the 6th exercise. You have to now give pressure to your neck. This is the most important exercise for your neck. That is, keep your both the hands the back. Just give a mild pressure. The neck should go back, arm should press it forward, opposite action. So ultimately the final result should be neck should be kept straight. Okay, we give a pressure to the back and arms pushing it forward. Second exercise, keep both the hands like this. Keep it on your forehead. Just give a mild pressure. Push it back by hand. The neck should push the hand forward. So ultimately there are opposite actions, opposite forces acting on each other. The final result is neck is kept straight and keep pressing for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Okay. Third, keep a hand like this and one of the on the right side of your forehead. Okay, and give a mild pressure. Push the neck towards away from you and neck pushes the hand to the opposite direction. Neck goes like this, arms pushes it like this. So the net result again is neck is kept straight. Again you have to give a push and also feel the pressure on the neck this way. The neck goes away towards the left, the hand pushes it towards the right. The net result is it is kept straight. This exercise, when you are doing it, should be more careful because here the pressure what we are giving, it should be felt by the neck very clearly. I would like to show you when you do this exercise the effect how it should be seen. See, when we do this, your pressure has to be felt by your neck. This. Again. Third, fourth. If I leave it, the neck will go that way. But I'm pressing it. I'm not allowing the neck to tilt towards the left by giving a push. The maximum you give pressure to the neck muscles become stronger. It is something like we are putting a concrete to the pillar which has got rusted. The pillars inside the pillar there are steel rods. If they get rusted and the cement falls down, we have to apply more cement. It is something like that we are doing with your neck. So the neck muscles, once it gets stronger, the problem will reduce. So neck muscles are able to support the nerve system as well as to the bones. This is what I have learned from Mr. Ramdev Maharaj as well as what I read in the books. So this will give a permanent cure to the problem, and we need to practice it daily for 10 to 15 minutes. Whenever you get time, morning, evening, whatever time you are free, please practice this and you will find the best result. And it has been proven, and so many people have, they have told their compliments, and people have got relief. And I hope everybody will benefit out of it, and you see the positive result, and then you can give me a feedback. Thank you, please. Namaskar. Jai Hind.